Hello, hi beautiful people, Sheila here. Thank you for tuning in today. Thank you for dropping by. Today we are at St. Mary's Stadium, Kitende. This was a request by somebody. A viewer requested that they wanted to see this, so I've been able to pass by today to show them. St. Mary's Stadium, Kitende, according to Google, it is the second largest stadium after Nelson Mandela Stadium. Nelson Mandela is Nambole. It is the biggest in Uganda. So this is the second largest. That is according to Google. But I think Ham Stadium should be the second largest. According to Ham Stadium and this stadium, what do you think is bigger? Which one do you think is the second largest? I think it is Ham. But according to Google, Wikipedia, it says it is this one. Anyway, this is a 20,000 seater. 20,000 people sit in here. And it has an artificial turf. The grass is not natural. It is artificial. And I saw these little things in the grass. These little black things in the grass. I do not know what they do. I do not know what they are for, so I decided to ask, guys, what are these things and what do they do? Do you see these little things in the grass? What are they and what do they do? Please let me know in the comments. Anyway, the stadium was built in 2017. It was built in 2017 and it was opened in 2017 as well. But then it was expanded in 2020. They made an expansion in 2020. This is the home of Vipers SC. I think SC is Sports Club. So this is the home of the Vipers Sports Club. This is it is the home team of the stadium. Yeah, that should be the word. It was built by Lawrence Mulindwa. Lawrence Mulindwa was once a FUFA president. FUFA, as you saw in the Kadiba Stadium, FUFA is Federation of Uganda Football Association. At the moment, Magogo is the president, but Lawrence Mulindwa was once the president. And he's the one who spearheaded the building or the construction or the expansion of this stadium. So now that the official information is over, allow me to thank you for being here. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Thank you for watching. If you do like the video, please give me a thumbs up. You can give me a comment down below. If there is any place you would like to see, you can give me a comment down below. If it's within my reach, I'll bring it for you. I see all the requests coming and I promise I will work on them. Wakiso, I'm coming. Waise, Nyanama, Chibuli. Guys, I am coming. I see all the requests and I'll bring them if it's within my reach. But most of the things you've been requesting for are within my reach. I'll definitely bring them. But when I do, please be around. Stick around so that you watch your request. It would make me happy to go to this place because you requested for it, and then I see you in the comments saying that, hey, I requested for that place and you've brought it up. So it would make me really, really happy. Thank you for being here once again. Now that the important information is over, allow me to tell you a story. Allow me to tell you a story about today. So meanwhile, they do not allow people to enter in here. They do not allow people to enter and get videos. I did not know that. But when I came, I found this gentleman who was coming out of the back gate because I used the back entrance. I found this gentleman and I'm like, hello, how are you? Can I go in and record a video? He was like, yeah, sure, it is okay. But he was on phone, I think. So I came in and then I started recording. As you can see, I got for you the stadium. I went on the pitch. I wanted to cross over and go to the VIP boxes, but as I was in the middle of the pitch, this gentleman comes back in again, and then he comes back and he sees me and then he calls me. So I'm like, what's going on? Why is he calling me? So I go to him, and then he's like, are you recording? And I'm like, yes, I am recording. And he's like, no, that is not allowed. You're not allowed to come in here and record. And then I said, but I told you, I asked you if it was okay for me to come in and record. And then he was like, no, I thought you had told me that you were going to the toilet. I let you in because I thought you were going to the toilet, because recording is not allowed. So guys, I do not know why recording is not allowed. Why don't they allow people to come and have a look? Okay, they can put a fee. They're like, you know, for you to come and have a look, you can pay maybe 10,000 or 20,000, and then you come in and have a look and record your video and then get out. I think it would be better than just chasing people away, like shoo, go away. You know what I mean? Because even for the Fufa Kadiba Stadium, we do have a video, about 2 videos actually, about Fufa Kadiba Stadium. But both of the times I've been there, it has been like a real struggle for me to get in. A real struggle for me to start recording anything. So anyway, this guy told me that I could come back on match day. If I want to come and record, I could come back on match day and then I record whatever I want. But then remember, on match day, there are very many people, and then you're scared for your phone because you could literally just get it out and then someone can run away with it, and then there is no way of getting it. Anyway, that is the story. So for those people who want to come here, you're not allowed to come here unless it is match day. Yeah, and for me to get in here, it was because he did not understand what I was asking. But yeah, I got in and I got to show you how it looks inside. So whoever requested for this, I hope you are here, and I hope you are happy that you've seen how it is inside. Maybe next time I'll be able to go to the VIP boxes and then have a look at the changing rooms and everything, like how we did with the Fufa Kadiba Stadium. So yeah, this is it. Enjoy the rest of the video. You're going to see the guy calling me. You watch out. You're going to see him calling me, and then I came back to him, and then I was asking him, is this the where the VIP boxes? And then he pointed at them. They're on the other side. Probably next time that I drop by, I'll be able to go in and record them for you. So once again, thank you for being here. Please give me a thumbs up if you have enjoyed the video. This is how the stadium looks like. If you like how the stadium looks like, please give me a thumbs up. If you like me as a person, please give me a thumbs up. Please share with your friends who would like to see how it looks like. This was my first time to come here. I had never been here before. This was my first time, and I really loved it. So you can share with your friends who you think may love it as well. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of interesting things that go on here. If you are returning, thank you for coming back over and over. I have my serial commenters, the people I know are going to comment. Even before I post a video, I have these people that I know this one has to comment. Thank you guys, you mean a lot to me. Thank you for being here, lovely people. Let me let you enjoy the rest of the video, and let me know what you think. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Let me know the places you would like me to show you. Yeah, baby badia, mwebale kujja era mwebale kubeera okwegamba oluganda lubadde lunsiiwa nga mpulira sigenda mala ku video eno nga njogedde luzungu lwereere. Anyway, mwebale kujja, mwebale kubeerawo. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.